What you can also do with Microsoft Windows 11 is that use voice commands to do different tasks. So to do that, first of all, you need to go to the start menu, and then you can type in Cortana right here, and then you can see the Cortana app. Let me just go around and pin this to the taskbar right here so that it pops up over here. If I were to click on Cortana, then you can see this application. And if it is the first time for you to actually use Cortana, then what happens is that it'll ask you to sign in. So I'm just going to go around and give something to Cortana to work on. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say, what is the weather like today in New York?
The forecast in New York shows sun with a high of 38 and a low of 28. Right now, it's clear and 28.
And that is what you hear out, as you can see. So you can go around over here and say things like, open up as browser.
Sorry, I couldn't open that.
Okay, seems like it did not understand it. Open up Microsoft as browser.
All right. I'll open Microsoft Edge.
And there you go. There is the Microsoft Edge browser, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize Cortana to do different tasks, and you can try out different things by saying to Cortana inside of Microsoft Windows 11.